maybe since, maybe about 1990, something like that. Oh yeah, it's an old song. It's a Grantley Buffalo song, and I can't say that it's one that I sing every day or every tour, but sometimes it seems to fit the occasion, and with so much anxiety in the air. I'm talking. Oh man, this is serious. I'm serious. Sorry. I think it's a time to play the song, John.
I hope so.
I think so. I think it's topical, not tropical. Although that would be nice. A nice tropical, topical exile. Gilligan's Exile. There's something to tell.
That'll be our record.
I'm gonna sing it because it's one of these songs that a dude finds himself singing to himself in anguish and anxiety and momentary, prolonged despair, only to find that maybe he's not alone, that a lot of people feel that way. Especially in times of whoa, like now. Yeah. So, I'm just saying, I'm glad you're here. I'm glad you're not sitting at home, curled up in a fetal position tonight. Because there's a lot of good reasons to do so. A whole lot of reasons to do so, but you shouldn't be. You gotta engage and remember that you're not alone, and this is one way to do it, to connect with all your peoples, and we're your peoples, and we're glad you're here. And here's that song I was talking about. Well, I hear America snoring. Well, I'm back. I'm gonna do did you see it on TV or in your own backyard? It's LAPD. And they call